In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can have empty data points appear as 0 in your graph in Microsoft Excel. To do this, you want to click on the graph that has empty data points that you're trying to graph. Then click on this little filter icon right here. Then from here, you're going to want to go down to select data. After clicking on select data, you're going to want to click on hidden and empty cells. And from here, you can adjust how you want empty data points to be shown as. Whether it can be gaps, zeros, or you can connect data points with a line. In this example, I want these blanks to show as zeros because that represents there are no sales on that given day. So I'm going to click on 0, click OK, OK again, and now these empty data points are zeros in our graphs. To change this back and have empty data points shown as blanks, you can click on the filter icon, select data, and then hit empty cells, and then show data points as gaps. That's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.